Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex legal battles into simple terms. Today, we're diving into the latest twist in the legal saga between former President Donald Trump and Jean Carroll. Trump faces an $83.5 million judgment for defamation, and we'll explore the recent developments in this high-stakes case. In a recent court hearing, federal judge Luke Kaplan, responding to Trump's lawyer Alina Habba, rejected the request for a stay of the $83.5 million judgment without posting a bond. This decision means that the judgment remains active and there's no temporary halt on its enforcement. Judge Kaplan didn't hold back in his criticism of Alina Habba's legal tactics. He highlighted her tendency to miss deadlines and described her actions as lackadaisical. The judge emphasized the importance of adhering to deadlines and underscored the untimeliness of many of Habba's actions in the case. With no stay granted, Trump is on the clock. Until March 2nd, Jean Carroll's legal team could potentially execute the judgment, seizing assets to satisfy the $83.5 million. This presents a significant risk for Trump, who may see his assets targeted in the absence of a stay. Judge Kaplan has given Carroll's team until February 29th and Trump's team until March 2nd to present their arguments. The judge will then make a final decision on whether to grant a stay and the associated conditions. The looming question: will Trump have to post a bond to prevent the judgment's execution? If a stay isn't granted, Jean Carroll's lawyers could pursue the execution of the judgment, possibly targeting Trump's assets. We explore the potential scenarios that could unfold and the implications for both parties. In this precarious period until March 2nd, Trump is playing a high-stakes game. The absence of a stay means Jean Carroll's legal team could move swiftly to execute the judgment. The judge's decision not to grant an unsecured stay suggests Trump might need to post a substantial bond to halt the judgment's enforcement. Judge Kaplan has set a deadline for both parties to present their arguments. If Trump wants a stay without posting a bond, he must convince the court that it's justified. Overcoming this hurdle could prove challenging, especially considering the significant amount at stake, $83.5 million plus interest. In the event a stay is not granted, Jean Carroll's legal team could move forward with executing the judgment. The question arises: where could they target Trump's assets? With his public profile and known business ventures, locating assets worth $83.5 million may not be an insurmountable task. The mention of Barbara Jones, the monitor overseeing matters related to Trump, adds an intriguing layer. Jean Carroll's lawyers could potentially approach Jones for assistance in identifying Trump's assets. As a former federal judge, Jones may prioritize upholding the court's decisions. As we approach the critical dates of February 29th and March 2nd, the countdown begins for Trump and Jean Carroll. The judge's decision on whether to grant a stay and the conditions attached will shape the next phase of this legal battle. The stakes are high and the outcome remains uncertain. Facing the imminent threat of judgment execution, Donald Trump finds himself in a precarious situation. The judge seems resolute in not granting an unsecured stay, putting pressure on Trump to consider posting a substantial bond. We delve into potential legal strategies Trump may employ to argue against the judgment's validity and the necessity of a bond. We explore past cases where defendants sought to reduce punitive damages or avoid posting bonds. Understanding the legal precedents and challenges Trump's legal team may reference provides valuable insights into the potential arguments that will unfold in the coming days. Given Barbara Jones' role as the monitor overseeing Donald Trump's affairs, we examined a possibility of Carroll's legal team seeking her assistance in identifying Trump's assets for potential execution. This adds an intriguing layer to the case, as Jones could play a crucial role in facilitating the enforcement of the judgment. As the clock ticks down to March 2nd, the legal community and the public eagerly await the judge's final decision. The looming deadline intensifies the drama and the stakes are higher than ever. Will Trump successfully navigate this legal minefield, or will Jean Carroll move forward with executing the judgment? Stay tuned to Legal AF for in-depth coverage and analysis of the unfolding events in the Trump vs. Carroll legal battle. We'll be tracking the filings, responses, and any unexpected twists that may occur as this high-profile case continues to captivate audiences across the nation. The legal showdown between Donald Trump and Jean Carroll is far from over. As the two sides present their arguments and the judge evaluates the need for a stay in bond, the outcome remains uncertain. Join us next time on Legal AF as we bring you the latest updates and insights into one of the most intriguing legal battles of our time.